Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a magic ring. To make a magic ring, all you will need is crocheting yarn as well as a hook that matches the yarn's size. The first step in making our magic ring is to make an X. We're going to do so by grabbing our yarn, putting it in between our thumb and index finger of our non-dominant hand, and then creating an X just like you see here. Then we're going to secure that down with our ring finger. With our X now secure in our non-dominant hand, we're going to take the hook in our right hand. We're going to grab that inside yarn and twist to make our first loop. We will then go back into that same piece of yarn, grab it, and pull through the loop that we've just made. After completing this step, our circle is now secure and can be let go. We will then take the end of the string and make sure it goes on the side that we will be doing our stitches on, like so. We're going to take that hook, go under those two strands, and grab the string up top. Pull it through, wrap the yarn around the hook, and then pull through all those loops. We've now created our very first stitch. You're now going to repeat that process another time to create our second stitch, and so on. You can then continue this process until you have completed the proper amount of stitches you need for your magic ring. So as you can see here, I am doing this process 6 times to create a 6-stitch magic ring. Once I've completed that, I'm going to grab the end of my yarn. I'm simply going to pull it so that the stitches will wrap around each other and make that circle. And that is how you're going to make a magic ring. Thanks for watching.